What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm back on the H2. I see you guys in the comments. I know you guys want the H2 back and you guys want car meets back, so that's exactly what I'm doing. It's literally you guys can't even see what I'm looking at, but it's pitch black, it's late at night, it is freezing, it's been raining all day today. Luckily it literally like just recently stopped, so we're somewhat dry for now. We'll see how long that's gonna last, but I'm sorry if I can't talk. It's like freezing right now. You guys have no idea. I think it's like 48 degrees or something like that, but 40s at night on a bike with all this freezing wind, it's pretty cold. And as usual, we're late, so I don't want to ride too recklessly just because of, you know, it's still somewhat wet. It's not very dry. So we're just gonna tuck in and keep a good constant speed. You can tell how cold it is from the temperature of the bike. It's at 143. That's like extremely cold. The bike is running. I mean, technically this is really good for the bike, you know? Boost weather. We'll see what type of cool cars and stuff we run into over there. And I think they're doing a drive. I doubt I'm going to be doing the drive just because it's so dark and it's so late. So I'm pretty sure no one's going to see me, and I'm pretty sure there's like no bikes there right now because of how cold and dark it is right now. So I might do a little bit of the drive for you guys and call it quits. Not going to go to the second destination just because we don't want no accidents or anything like that, you know? I think it's going to be too dangerous with all the cars and stuff like that. These meets usually get crazy and a lot of people show up, so we'll see how it's gonna go. I'm also dressed up in all black. That's not a good idea. On a black bike, the H2 is pretty much black at night, so you can't see me at all. At least it's loud as hell, so you can hear me for sure. Woo! It's so damn cold. Maybe I should have worn more than 2 layers. I only have a thermal and a hoodie on. Oh, wet spot, wet spot. Yep. We do not want to wipe out. Oh, there's a lot of people. Whew, I couldn't see. Damn, I haven't been in this spot in a while. They used to throw a lot of meets here. You guys know the drill. We're gonna go around, check out the cars, whatever's going on in here. Oh, my car just died. No more music for me. Doesn't look like there's anything special around here. And I don't know a lot of people around here. There's always exotics in this meet, so I'm trying to find them. I was gonna go this way, but never mind. Yeah, there's literally no bikes either. There's usually a few bikes that show up to this meet, but not this time because probably, as I told you guys, it is freezing, and you guys can see over here a little bit better how it's like wet and all. But at least we made it in time. It's probably why. I mean, if there's no exotics, that's probably why. It's because it's wet. They don't want nothing reckless to be hitting their cars and all. Oh, there's one bike. Dope. Oh, did not mean to do that. Ah, this is the like VIP section. Yep. Ah, that's the Lambo in the last V4 video. Yep. I don't know. Just go in here if you can. Turn radius is not the best on this bike, guys, so don't judge. I'm just going around in circles. Oh, god damn, that bump just hit the bike from the bottom. That's what happens when you have a lower bike. I don't know where they're going. I'm just gonna park here. I think, yeah, it's always that pan right here. It's so low to the ground. Tire's pretty wet, but it's not too bad. This right here probably scraped. It's all good though. Wow, so cool. Wow, wee wah. Too many AMGs.
How are you riding? It's so cold. I'm freezing.
You know how long we're staying here?
Huh?
How long till we go?
Like 20, 30 minutes?
Alright, bet. Alright, I'm gonna continue. Oh, I didn't even notice the GTR. Very nice. I'm gonna continue when we go on the drive. Alright. All my homies are leaving. It's getting colder and colder, so we're just gonna start heading out. I don't know if they're doing the drive or when they're doing the drive. They're taking way too long. So we're just gonna make it out. I don't even know what's going on. What's up, guys? Unfortunately, this is where the video is going to end. The GoPro died. I have no idea why. I had about like 27% left of battery, and that little like 30-second clip is all that 25% got. For whatever reason, I think it's because it's really cold, so the battery was not performing as it usually does for whatever reason. But GoPros are also known to like have their own problems, you know. This is the stuff we have to deal with every now and then. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to end the video here, but let me tell you a little bit about what happened. Pretty much just more supercars and stuff like that showed up. There was a bunch of like revving, stuff like that. A car actually got into an accident leaving because, you know, wet surface, and it decided to give some people a show, and it ended up losing control and hitting the curb. I didn't actually get that on video, so that doesn't matter, but still letting you guys know since I'm doing this anyways. But yeah, that happened. Then I left, revved a bunch for you guys and for the people that were filming and standing over there. Sadly, that's the part that I feel I missed out on the most, and plus, like, you know, leaving the car meet, which was pretty dope. But other than that, that's pretty much what you guys missed out on, and me logging out. So here I am doing it over here instead. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please drop a like, subscribe, share, and support. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out and ride safe.